Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Engineer Ads. My name is Latif. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first Google Ads. Why Google Ads? Because right now, Google is the largest search engine in the world. Through Google Ads, you can promote your website, your physical product, or your digital product. You can sell it all over the world. You can start bringing some lead or visitor and make conversion to your product and really start making some money. Well then, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to make your first Google Ads campaign that will bring you a high quality, sustainable lead or visitor, will eventually contribute to your product. Okay, let's get started. Alright, right now is if you have already your Gmail account and you can click on your Chrome adsgoogle.com. You will gonna see a screen like this and click get started. Okay, after you see a screen like this is your dashboard Google account. Now you can see this create a campaign. You will first add create a new campaign. You can click here, create a new campaign. Okay, on your screen or on your Chrome screen, you will see Google will guide you to know what your objective campaign. In this screen, we have several objective campaign. You can see it. Drive sales online in application by phone or in store. Lead. Get lead and order conversion by encouraging customer to take action. And then website traffic, product and brand consideration. Brand awareness and reach, application promotion, local store visit and promotion, and then create campaign without goal guidance. So I'm gonna choose create campaign without goal guidance. Why I choose this? Because we can choose by choosing this option, we keep full control over our campaign. Click and we will gonna see our screen like this. Select a campaign type. There is a several type you can choose. Search, get in front of a high intent customer at the right time on Google search. Performance, display, shopping, video, application, smart, and discovery. In this video, we are going to create a search campaign using simple text ads. Those are the kind of ads you see when you are see or you want to search something in the Google. So I will choose this simple search on campaign type. Click search. Okay, select the result you want to get from this campaign. I will choose website visit. So you can choose your website and typing in here your website link in here. You can typing a campaign name. Whether your campaign name is same or similar with your keyword. Click. I will put buying engagement ring. Line and click continue. Now let's look at bidding. Bidding, what do you want to focus on? This is click. Better we choose click and set maximum cost per click in bid limit. Those settings will define how much you are willing to pay for one click on your ads, and also your bidding strategy. If you want to know exactly how the Google bidding system works, highly recommended to watch my detailed video where we are going to a lot more in depth about this bidding. We are going to leave the focus on click and set our maximum cost per click bid limit in $1. And also recommended to set up conversion tracking using Google Analytics. So later on you can change your bidding strategy to maximize your conversion. And I'll leave a tutorial too in another video in my channel, and I will show you exactly how to set up using Google Analytics. Okay, after that we click next. Now we are in campaign setting. To reach the right people, start by defining key setting for your campaign. I rather to select display network because I don't want my ads will show up in website that not intended to search for, because we want to make sure our ad is relevant as possible to our target search term. This is really important, so you don't want to waste your money on useless click. You can leave to search didn't work, same too. So I will deselect display network and will deselect search network too. Ads can appear near Google search result and other Google sites when people search for terms that are relevant to your keyword. Because we don't want to show our ads in website and network. Okay, for a location, we can put we can choose our target location in United States, or you can put another location. Target, you can click here, enter another location. For location and target option, I rather put present people in or regularly in your targeted location. If you put your target in here, present or interest, people in, regularly in, or who've shown interest. This is who've shown interest in your targeted location. If someone not live in United States or Canada, like example, live in India, but they have interest on your targeted location, either choose present people in or regularly in your targeted location. For exclude, same presence people in your exclude location. Language, choose your targeted language. Put here English. For audience segment, because we are at first Google campaign, I rather not choose this audience segment. But later in another video, I will show you how to set up audience segment. Click more setting, add rotation, optimize, prefer best performing ads. Rather choose prefer best performing ads. Another setting, start and end dates. You can choose start and end if you not regularly checking your Google Ads account. Because if you don't regularly check it, or if you forget, Google will keep charging your credit card if you forget to turn it off your ads. So better you put in your end date. Like example, select date 1 week from 19, so I put here 26 and click more setting. You can choose add as schedule. You can put this all day or from 8:15 to 5:45 p.m. Campaign URL, I think no option set, and then click next. Okay, right now keyword and ads. This is ad group. I recommend to split it in one group to one keyword. So I will name this ad group engagement ring. Then you can enter your click, so that we can make our ad as fun as possible for our keyword. The strategy will make sure that we get the highest quality score possible, so we get the best place on the Google and a little as possible for our click. So for example, in this first ad group we are going to target engagement ring. This is a keyword, engagement ring. And then we are going to define our keyword matches type. The keyword match type is define what combination of our keyword group of engagement ring will trigger our first. We are going to use the exact match by putting a bracket around the keyword. Sorry, this bracket, put bracket. So somebody exactly type our keyword engagement ring, our ad can be show up. Then we are also going to use the price match by putting quotation mark around our keyword. We put quotation around our keyword. That way, for someone type in a price including our keyword engagement ring, our ad can be also show up. And then we are also going to use the call modify broad match so that our ad will also show up when people use word engagement and word ring. In that part that type in the search bar, if you want to learn more about keyword match type, then you can check in another video in my channel. Now we are done and setting up our first ad group, so we can also start with another group. You can put here to make another group. For different keyword that we want put in our ads, I suggest better you put ad group in 3 different keywords. So now we are at the level X in offering campaign. So this is where we recreate the actual ad. You can see in your screen, in your Chrome screen, Google will lead you how to create your actual ad. We are going to create here is exactly what people will see when they type in targeted keyword. That we have to just define. So let's create our post, and for the keyword in the group engagement ring. We are going to add 3 headlines. To our, and we are going to make sure to include our keyword engagement ring to make sure our ad is relevant as possible to our target search term. This display pad is what shown people when they see the ads, but it's not where people will go when they actually click on the ad. So we can also use this pad to make our ad more relevant to our keyword. So we are just going to type in engagement ring. Then for the ad description, we are going to use our pure ones, and because we want our ads to take up as much real as possible to boost our click-through rate. Find your final URL, buying engagement ring online. This is the page that ad will direct to customer. You can also define display URL. This is the URL that appear when the ads show. You can see the ad show, and Google will guide you at the item you can hear at the bottom of the ads. Now it's time to get creative. Write to your headline and description. Headline and description. The more headline and description that you provide, like here, you can see value is too long. Shop online now, engagement ring. You can see the more combination the machine learning can generate. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see ad of the string. Ad of the string.
This is no ads, poor, average, good, and excellent. Try including more keywords in your headline. You will see one of the 5 different ad strength rating when you work on your responsive search ad. Along with this rating, you will see action item in the following area to help to improve the effectiveness of your ad. Diversity, quality, headline description, any keyword relevant. Make sure your ad reaches good or strength score. Use the idea provided by the tool to boost your score. You can see this is click this view idea. Find more. Go out now. Well, some repetition is fine. Find the best way to improve your ad strength is to add as much unique content as possible. You can see ad strength will change in different if you already put different headline. The system tried to combine headline and description that offer new information. Okay, put your description. Disperse description and include your keyword. I put 3 different description. You can see for a few for an idea. Or if you want to see the display page, If you are already running expanded text ads, try including your top performing asset in responsive search ad. Keep in mind that headline and description may appear in any order. So, ensure your asset can work together in any combination. For best result, follow this recommendation. Provide at least 5 distinct headlines. Don't use the same or similar phrase, since redundant assets will restrict the ability to generate ads. Create 8 to 10 headlines. And include keyword in at least 2 of the headline. Be sure to have at least another 3 headlines that do not include your keyword. Try highlighting additional benefit and feature, a problem you are solving, or even highlight shipping in return information. Test out creating headline of different length. Don't try to maximize character, since every headline the machine learning model will test both short and long headline. Now you can see ad strength become fulfill and excellent. Where you can control where individual title or description appear in your ad. This you can see for mobile view, and this is for desktop preview. You can control where individual title or description appear in your ad by pinning headline, like this, by pinning headline. Description to specific. For example, if you have disclaimer or special offer that need to appear in every single combination, you can guarantee that by pinning the title when editing or creating a responsive source ad. Click on the pin icon. Free shipping on all order. You can click pin in here. You can put or in here. And decide the position you like to pin that headliner description to. If you pin multiple title or description to the same position, now you can click done to finish your ads. And click next. You could pull your budget, select the average you want to spend each day. You can put in $10. Okay, $20. And click next and get review from Google Ads. Okay. You can check later by check the analytics of the Google. And if you have any question or for more information, you can see on my description. Also, if you found this video helpful, I really appreciate if it click a thumb up button below the video. That would really help me out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.